So do you want to remove your background from the video in the same way that I have already shown you? If you want it, you are on the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background on the CapCut mobile application without any green screen. In our previous video, I have shown you how to remove the green screen. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background even if it's not green screen. So let's start the video. So at first, go to your CapCut mobile application. You can see here two buttons, New Project and AutoCut. Select New Project. Now, select your desired video from which you want to remove the background. So here is my desired video. Click on the Add button. So here is my video. So I'm going to cut out the ending part. Now I'm going to remove the background from this video. So you can see there are many options at the bottom. There is an option named cutout. Select the option cutout. There are three options: remove background, customized cut, and chroma key. Chroma key is for removing the particular color like green screen or blue screen, anything. But if you want to remove any background from your video, then click on the button remove background. So I'm clicking on it. So you can see the background removing process started. So you can see how easily the background has been removed from this video. So let's click the play button. So you can see this is how the background has been removed from this video. But now I'm going to show you how to add another background at the remove portion. Like I'm going to change the background. So for that, just create another project. Like I'm clicking on the new project. Now at first select the desired background that you want to put into your removed video. So I'm going to put this background at the position of the removed space. So I'm clicking at. So this will be my background. Now you can see an option overlay. Click on it. Add overlay. And select your desired video from which you want to remove the background. So I'm selecting this video, clicking add. So this is the video from which I'm going to remove the background. So at first I'm going to adjusting this video. Okay. Now I'm trimming out the video. Okay, click delete. I'm deleting the ending portion also. So now click on this video and just go to the cutout option. Now click on the remove background. So you can see that how easily the background has been removed. Now click on the play button to see how it looks. So this is how it looks. Now you can export your video by clicking this, but I'm not going to export it. So this is how you can remove any background from any video and replace the background according to your wish. So if this video helped you, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to have amazing tutorial video like this. See you in the next video.